Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a waffle air saver. Now let's get started. You will need DK weight yarn, 5mm crochet hook, 3mm crochet hook, a dolly needle, some buttons, scissors. We will begin with the 5mm crochet hook. First, we need to make a slip knot. Then we will make a chain of 20. After having a chain of 20, we will remove the 5mm crochet hook and replace with the 3mm crochet hook and continue to chain 4. To begin row 1, we will make a double crochet to the 5th chain from our hook. Again, we make a double crochet to the next chain. We continue to make double crochets until the end of the row. We will chain 3 to begin row 2. We will make a front post double crochet to the next stitch. Then we make a normal double crochet to the next stitch and another front post double crochet to the next stitch. A front post double crochet to the next stitch. A normal double crochet to the next stitch. We repeat the pattern with 2 front post double crochet and a 1 normal double crochet until the end of the row. After finishing row 2, we will chain 3 to begin row 3. We make a normal double crochet to the next chain, another normal double crochet to the next chain, a front post double crochet to the next chain, 2 normal double crochet to next chains, a front post double crochet to the next chain. We repeat the pattern with 2 normal double crochets and 1 front post double crochet until the end of the row. After finishing row 3, we will chain 1 to secure. And weave in the ends. Finally, we will add buttons to finish our air saver. I have finished making the waffle air saver. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!